20 minutes. This is awesome. We have 4 steps, 4 simple steps. Step 1, you have to have the cash trap. So if you did the regular HFS package, simply add cash trap, is just $22. The cash trap, phenomenal tool, phenomenal tool. How does it work? It gives you an arrow, whether you are buying or selling, but you don't just jump in on the arrow. Like I said earlier, this is like a cookbook. You must have all these things line up. You must have them line up. You must have every single one of them line up. So besides seeing the up arrow or down arrow, the next thing you have to do is check your currency strength. You check your currency strength. If you are buying, the base currency should be stronger than the quote currency. Like in the example given to you, the currency, USD, is stronger than JPY in this particular picture, based on currency strength. I did an in-depth training on currency strength. You can look it up on my YouTube. The third thing is your entry. Where are you entering? What particular place are you striking in and going into the trade? You should look at entering at a support zone if you are buying. And then the time. This is a game changer. This is an absolute game changer. You need to enter at the hourly candle, opening of the hourly candle at the next support zone, or half hour, or 45 minutes. Let me show you this. Let me illustrate this so that you will get it clear. You will get it clear. So quickly, let's check. So everyone, you should have hourglass. If you don't, get it. Get it. So the first thing is for you to log into your hourglass. And it gives you arrow, up or down, up or down. So giving you an up arrow doesn't mean you should just jump in, or down arrow, no. Immediately you look at it, you see an arrow. Okay, this is a down arrow. Good. As you're seeing a down arrow, what's the next thing you check? You check the currency strength. You see it on livechat.co.uk. Cashtrap 2.0 should be up this weekend. So with Cashtrap 2.0, you don't even need to check this currency strength because it has currency strength built into it. So looking at the strength of euro and US dollar, you can see that euro is weaker than US dollar. That means this down arrow, step 2. You are at step 2. Step 3, you go to your trading view quickly. If you are new, open a free trading view account. And when you open a free trading view account, as an indicator you look for. There's an indicator you look for. It's called Avogadro binary strategy. So you go here, click on it, and you type Evan. That's one of our educators on IML platform, phenomenal trader. You just click this Avogadro binary strategy tool. Once you click it, you have it looking like this. So all these red lines are your support zones, resistance zone. All these blue lines are your support zone. So let's say we are looking at that Euro USD, you look at Euro USD. So this is the next support zone here. and the resistance zone is here. So we are looking at a down arrow. So with the down arrow, you're looking at entering at the next resistance zone, which should be this red line. So you put your cursor here, the number here, 1.21218, should be your entry. It could be around there, it could be at that number, it could be a little high, a little bit below, but that is around the area you should be looking at entering this trade. That is number 3. Number 4, wait to enter at 1 hour, at the hourly, or 30 minutes, or 45 minutes. Because we saw from practice, from observation, that the market always change at the time. Let me show you an example. This candle, can you see this candle? Let's show you some of the hourly candles. Can you see this? This is an hourly candle. Okay. This is another hourly candle. What do I mean by hourly? At the top of the hour, the next candle, wait for the one that is on to close. This is another hourly candle. As this one is closing, it hit this support, you get in, clear buy. Most times you don't even need to roll it over. Okay? It happens over 90% of the time. Over 90% of the time. On hourly, this is another one. Can you see it? It hit on this floor. Up it goes. Up it goes. Up it goes. There's another one. Can you see? It hit this roof, it drops. This is going to be a complete game changer for everyone. This week, you are going to be so much money. And this will happen so in such a short time. And don't spend so much time in this. Like I said in one of the trainings yesterday, the more time you spend on the chart trying to trade, the lesser accurate will be your analysis. So spend less time. In 1 hour, come into the chart like, 55 or 50 minutes to the, before the 1 hour candle, and look for these opportunities on either a buy or a sell using these 4 steps or 4 checklists, and make sure you check off every one of the 4. If you do it, trust me, nothing, absolutely nothing will stop you from hitting at least 90% and above. So now, with that result, you can easily go and share with your world, everybody you'd like to impact their life. Let this be your gift to people around you in this season. Is this explanation clear? Is this clear? Put a 111 if it's clear. If it's not clear, put a 2 and let me know which step. Is this step 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? Which one are you having challenge? If you put 2, 2, 2, if it's step 3 that is not clear, put 2, 2, 2, 3. All right, happy 2, 2, 2. Let me know the step you don't understand. But if you're here for the first time, sorry, I wouldn't answer your question because you are very new. You wouldn't be able to understand this today. All right, if you're here for the first time, just get started. Get back to whoever invited you and get started. Habib, are you in the business or you're new? Are you already in or you're a new member? Same thing with Maria. Is today your first time? Put yes. If it's not your first time, put no. All right, Habibi, you're new. All right, Chukwemeka will break this thing down for you, all right? Maria, are you new?